Welcome to Epic Stock Due Diligence. Please subscribe at youtube.com/EpicStockDD. Thank you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another exciting episode of Epic Stock Due Diligence. That's youtube.com/EpicStockDD. For everyone that hasn't already subscribed, I encourage you to do so. Share with others. Check out my book if you want to. You can find a link on the main page of youtube.com/EpicStockDD. Picture me up there in front of that bull on Broadway. It says buy my book. If you don't want to check it out, that's fine. I'm not here to pump my book. I'm here to entertain. But what I want to talk about within this video is the unfair stereotype that many stock traders have. Now, the typical, when you think of the Wall Street type or the stock trader type or the penny stock type, and I'm just going to go through a few scenarios here, but the most commonly occurring theme is that they are very dishonest people. They're trying to take from others and give to themselves. They're all about the flash and the cash. You know, they'll make money and they'll go out and get a Lamborghini or a Ferrari or something like that, and you know, they're bad people, both from a from an ethical and a moral standpoint. But the fact of the matter is that that's not true. I mean, not every stock trader is like the movie The Wolf of Wall Street, which was an awesome movie, by the way, if you allow yourself to get past the vulgar content in the beginning and throughout. It's a really cool movie. But what people fail to realize, people stereotype stock traders as the Wolf of Wall Street movie did a great job of depicting the stereotype that most people have for a stock trader. You know, insane amount of wealth, expensive toys, this, that, and the other. But what people fail to realize is the entertaining value, not behind the potential reward, the cash reward. Okay, so what? I'm a new multimillionaire. You know, that's great, but it's not all about the reward. It's not about the, you know, I did my due diligence. I made not hundreds of millions, but maybe a few $billion. And now what am I going to do? The thing about it that's so entertaining is looking at every stock, because every stock is like a good movie or a good book. If you like to read, if you like to watch movies, whatever you like to do. Because every movie and every book, even if they're somewhat similar, they're most often always different. And that's what's cool about penny stocks, is because you can go at one play and you can research it and see how everything pans out. And then there can be what you feel is a similar play a few days, a few weeks down the road, whatever the time frame may be, and it play out completely differently. And that's the entertaining aspect of stocks. That's why I'm so in love with stocks. It's not that it's not that I'm involved with trading for making an insane amount of money. I'm involved with trading, not training, but trading. I'm involved with trading to just keep my mind just kind of trucking along, you know, like a train on the tracks. Choo choo, choo choo, you know, just trucking along and having a good time, because every play, as I've already illustrated, every play is an opportunity to entertain oneself and to learn something new that may or may not be applicable to the next play. And that's one of the most exciting things about the stock market, even if someone's not speculating with money, because again, this video and all my videos are for entertainment purposes only. They should not be considered a recommendation to buy or sell a security, because most likely what'll happen is that people will typically lose everything. That's the expectation. But what's cool about this is just even just sitting on the sidelines, not even trading, but just watching a stock throughout the course of a day, throughout the course of a week, a month, a year, and just see what it does. And then look at news and filings. You know, go to otcmarkets.com, etc., and look when that stock pops or when it flops. Look at the filings that hit on that day. Look at the news that hit. Look at what was going on in the forums on that day, building up to that day, after that day. And it's easy to kind of gain an understanding of what's possibly going on. That's why I think that it's unfair for traders, for stock traders as a whole, the majority of stock traders rather, to be unfairly stereotyped, because not every trader is interested in this for making an extreme amount of cash with a lot of flash, the fancy cars and all of that. Not every trader's into it for that. A lot of traders like myself, it's a form of entertainment. So that's why I wanted to post this video. I hope you find this video to be entertaining. I've got a few hundred other videos, a lot more coming soon on youtube.com/EpicStockDD. So as I identify talking points, I'll throw a video up here and hopefully entertain everyone. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day.